I love having my tap dances classes. Wait a second. Ballet classes. Ooh, I want to learn for the first time the ballet classes. I wonder my sisters would said it is a good idea.
Bethel, you should to learn more tap classes to start dancing.
Yeah, stop focusing the ballet and start dancing tap classes.
I think I'm still having tap dancing classes, but I'm still thinking for about ballet classes.
Darling, what are you looking at?
Nothing honey, I just looking an announcement of ballet classes that starts at September.
Oh, how wonderful.